So in this video, we're continuing with our fractions unit, and we are going to be finding the reciprocal. Now, the reciprocal of a fraction is the inverse of a fraction. So inverse means opposite, and you get the reciprocal by flipping the fraction over. So all we're doing is flipping fractions, and I like to refer to the reciprocal as the reflip-rical, because I'm flipping the fraction over. So I have 1/9 then becomes 9 over 1. So let's look at some of these examples. It says, find the reciprocal of each fraction below. If it's just a fraction, you're going to flip it over. So if it's 2/5, the reciprocal is going to be 5/2 or 5 over 2. Next one, it says, if it's a mixed number, convert to an improper fraction and then flip it over. So in this one, I need to do the magic C. First, multiply at the bottom, add at the top. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 more gives me 13 over 4. And the reciprocal of 13 over 4 is going to be 4 over 13. Now, the last one, if it's a whole number, make the denominator 1, because lonely whole numbers need to get a partner of 1. Then we're going to flip it over and do the reciprocal, so it becomes 1 over 7. Okay, so use these 3 examples, and I want you to do the bottom 9 right here. So I want you to pause the video here and do those 9 problems. So number 1 would equal 5 over 11. Number 2, whole numbers go over 1, and the reciprocal would be 1/9. Number 3, the reciprocal would be 4/3. Number 4, I need to do the magic C first. Multiply at the bottom, add at the top. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 more gives me 11 over 5. And the reciprocal then becomes 5 over 11. Same thing here. I need to do the magic C. Multiply at the bottom, add at the top. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 more gives me 11 over 3. Reciprocal then becomes 3 over 11. Lonely whole numbers go over 1, then find the reciprocal, which is 1 over 22. This one, I need to do the magic C first, multiply at the bottom, add at the top. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 more gives me 17 over 5. Then the reciprocal becomes 5 over 17. Magic C again for this one, because there's a whole number. Multiply at the bottom, add at the top. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 gives me 12 over 7. The reciprocal then becomes 7 over 12. So don't forget, with those ones you have to do the magic C. After you turn it improper, you have to do the reciprocal and flip it over. Number 9, lonely whole numbers go over 1, so the reciprocal is 1 over 51. Okay?